What is good, yo? It's your boy Ty back here with another episode of our No Money Spent Squad series. Now, I've been waiting for some new kind of content type challenges to come out, and I mean, there's really not much. The Dame Signature Challenge is something that I could get done. Obviously, the only other thing is they did add like this Michael Thompson, but he's not even very good either. So as far as like new updates in my team today, there's really not much. But we cleared house yesterday. Remember the 174,000 number, and just see where we're at by the time each and every one of these things sells. But before we dive any further, and as we claim each and every one of these things, if you are new to the channel and have not yet, please consider smashing that subscribe button as we're on the road to 80,000 subscribers. Again, it might not seem like a big deal when some of these things sell for, 500 MT, 400 MT. But if you're wondering how you can be no money spent, this is the recipe. I don't know what else there is to say. Selling badges, selling contracts, selling jerseys, whatever rewards you get, this is literally how you become no money spent and how you can make really good MT. This is the solution to all of your problems. Most of my MT comes from contract and badges. I mean, that's really where the majority of your MT is going to come from. There's rebound chasers that sell for a ton. Sniper right there for 8,000 MT. And I told you guys to remember that number because that number just went from, I don't even know what it was, to, nearly 300,000 MT. So where we were at MT wise was good, but we nearly doubled how much MT we have right now. Now you guys might be wondering, well, why is that a big deal? Well, it's going to be a big deal when the market does crash. Now the market's not crashed right now. So right now we just got to still remain pretty patient. But as far as where we'll be at when the market does crash, we'll be in really good position. So today, what are we going to do? We're going to grind a clutch time game because I still got to just make progress, hopefully to eventually get Michael Red. Then we're going to hop into MyTEAM Unlimited. Still on Calvin Nat, so occasionally we'll grind for him. But the one thing I will say is last season I spent, some weekends in Limited. We're not focusing at all on that. We're focusing on getting Michael Red, on getting, the unlimited reward Jason Richardson, and moving on from there. So we're going to hop into our first clutch time game with this squad right here. I don't know if Nicholas Batum's the meta, but we're going to run today. He's got Dikembe Mutombo, but why do I see Dikembe Mutombo out here when Eric Snow is not out here? That's my first question. All right, let's get it done. I see Steph Curry. That's cool. It's cool to run Steph Curry, but Steph's not guarding Gary. Good start to the game, man. Let's get in our press. See if we can't force a quit, maybe. Something quick, right? Get a quick quit in here. That would be awesome. Come on, y'all. How does that look? The shot clock is 14 seconds. I got the steal, and they called 3 seconds in the lane at 10 seconds. I've seen it before where people in the lane for like 7, 8, 9 seconds, and they still do not call it. So, look, I don't know what 2K does, but they're very, very inconsistent when it comes to 3 seconds in the lane. So inconsistent when it comes to that call. Thank you. Run. Come on, Gary. Come on, Gary. Come on, Gary. Take me home, baby. 4-0 already. I love this matchup we got in game one. I absolutely love it. You green in that? Oh, sir. Run. Good. Good. Good, Jaren. You give Jaren that much time to shoot, it's over with. The only reason I like Jaren is because, just his player build, first of all. One thing I will say is his release is on the slower side of things. That's the only problem with the card. But if you give him that much time, the dude's not going to miss. Chill, chill, chill. I hit the wrong icon, baby. My fault. Okay. With all due respect. With all due respect. I'm not even trying to get on timing. But with all due respect, that is bad. The fact that they let that shot go in is sad to me. It's a light lead from 4-point range. That's what I wanted right there to start the day off right. And for everybody out there saying there's a wheel spin method, there's not. I'm not convinced that there's a wheel spin method. I'm not. If I get something, I get something. But I'm not convinced there's a wheel spin method. Since we got such a quick win, Why not aim for another one? Let's get another quick win here. My next opponent looks like has a little better lineup. I like Jaren at the 4. I might start running, I might start doing that because I love Jaren Jackson Jr. I think him at the 4 is probably the best place to run him, but hey, man, I love Jaren. His release is on the slower side of things. I'll be the first to admit that, but I love Jaren Jackson Jr. Come on. He coming back to me. I know. I know. I know. I know. I know. I know. Yes, sir, Gary. I know. Come on. I know. Thank you, Jaren. Run. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. And just like that, it's already 6-0. I don't even know what we're doing today, but y'all that decided to wake up and hoop. I don't know what got into y'all, but y'all decided today you were going to hoop for me, and I love it. It's good, D. You make that. You got it. Board. Look at Batum boxing out. Uh-oh. I told y'all woke up and decided to... Ooh, I really should have let that thing fly. Chill. Back to Harden. Oh, my goodness. I sold the release, but it doesn't matter. Up 9-0 in our next game. Look, I need to balance current gen and next gen a little bit better, but I'm gonna try doing that. But today on next gen, y'all are hooping, man. Like, it's been a while since y'all have hooped like this. And on next gen, this is crazy. Like, y'all are hooping right now. 9-0. This is almost insurmountable already. Plus, I got the ball. I gotta make that next pass. I gotta see that. That's me. That's gonna drop too. Like, I read everything he's gonna do, and I still can't get a stop. It's a tough one to give up, man. So is that one. I gotta just hold it down a little bit. I'm used to playing on current gen with Jaren, which, I mean, the release is just a little bit quicker. Just gotta hold that thing down a little bit. Chill, Ty. Thank you. But just Jaren's ability to knock down shots and stretch the floor for a guy for like 20,000 MT is crazy to me. Knocked down. I mean, it's just crazy. He's an incredible shooter. 3 of 3 from the field for 8 points. What more do you want out of Jaren, man? It's my question to y'all. What more do you want out of the... Yikes. How did this guy get Gary? I want to know how this guy physically got his hands on Gary Payton. I know the way he is playing the game, he didn't get it, Gary. Like, there's no physical possible way. It's out of all the realm of possibility that this guy got Gary Payton himself. It's just not even, it's not even remotely possible. This is 8 seconds. Like, it's just not even remotely possible that this guy got Gary Payton. And I'm not even trying to be mean. I'm just being realistic. I mean, you want me to lie to you? It's impossible. He's down 2-17. I don't even feel like I'm playing that well. Y'all gotta stop. Y'all gotta stop. I got a fool. That's deserved. But y'all gotta stop leaving him open. That's a crazy shot. I gotta give you rebound chaser. I got to. It's me. It's my fault. It's not you, Jaren. It's me. I gotta give you rebound chaser. I see it. Oh my goodness. That's my fault too. I just can't shoot on this console. Go dunk on somebody. Hey, go dunk on somebody, Jaren. I didn't even need to do that, but I did it anyway. 22-4 is wild. Like, if you play this game mode and don't quit if the score is like this, I want to know why. Like, what are we playing for? Pride? Put the pride aside, baby. Just put the pride aside for me, baby. Look at my Jaren. He is so souped. Foul, ref. Got hacked. Shot. Good shot. I got a green though. Like, that's my biggest flaw right now on PlayStation is I just can't green. 2 quick wins is a massive W. Now, can I please get a Michael Red, please? Give me... 100 MT. Can they just up the prizes a little bit? Like 100 MT is bad. Like, that's really sad to me. But it is what it is. Now it's time to go into Unlimited. My opponent here, he's got KG. I see Eddie Jones, John Collins. Like, he got a decent squad. Got to make sure my mic is off. But he got a decent enough squad. Tough part is, does he got anybody that can guard Jaren? I mean, that... I got a green, though, Ty. So, what is going on? What is going on? What is going on? Come here, Jaren. Got a green with you. I've been off with you ever since I went back to current gen. I've just been off. Thank you, Jaren. That's why I like you. The pick and pop game with you is so tough. I like this. This guy's already rattled. He already rattled. He throwing scaries like that already is tough. He throwing scaries like that already is really tough. I'm telling y'all it's tough. Good. I'm like spiking right now. I hate this. Look at Jaren. Look at Jaren. Look at... Board. Go get it, Jaren. Go run. Run. This is ugly. I'm not even trying to go there and be on that type of timing, but this is really ugly. 9-0 already is ugly. Good. Ah, that's me. He's settling for a midi with Mikal Bridges, I guess. Like, good shot. Good shot, baby. Yeah, that's how rattled you are. You're taking a midi with Mikal. That's tough. Good. That's good, D. Thank you. That's mine. I'm tough. Like, I'm tough for that. That's extreme confidence right there. I shoot those, man. Come on. Uh-oh. Oh, and Jaren is crazy. You acted like I was just getting... Oh, my gosh. That's literally the most blessed thing I've seen all year. I literally got a block, and you got the ball back somehow. I don't even know how that happens. Of course, with Hall of Fame interceptor, he just lurking the lanes. Thank you. Please grab the ball. Please grab the ball. Thank you. This dude got just Hall of Fame interceptor everywhere, I guess. Game. Gary, you let him guard you. You're off the team. Y'all just spaced the floor horribly. Can y'all just calm down? Can y'all just calm down? Just get the ball to James Harden and let him cook. Like, I'm tired of y'all doing whatever y'all want. Get the ball to James Harden, let him cook. It's a simple recipe. That's a recipe for success right there. The ball to him, let him cook. Thank you. Oh, yeah, Jaren. Hey, running right around the defense right there. Thank you. And we gotta start guarding Dame. That's the only dude this guy has. He got Dame and just a bunch of guys that can play D. It's that simple. Y'all are good. Y'all are... Please. Like, please, man. This guy a warrior, man. This guy I'm playing is a warrior. I respect it. He not giving in. Even though the game realistically is over. He not giving in. Green. Come on. Bailout's bad. I know. You don't have to tell me. Like right there, I ain't even have to make a read. And that's bad. It's sad that I ain't even have to make a read right there. But that's the way the game is played right now. And that's the game I'm playing, I guess. I'll play it. Hall of Fame. L2 steals with Hall of Fame interceptor is OD. It is just OD. I don't even have to do anything. Oh my gosh. Hall of Fame interceptor is crazy to me. It is crazy to me because y'all don't even... Ah, that's cool. It's cool. He's just going to sweat me. It's cool. Let Eric Snow guard the ball. I don't even care. Let him guard the ball. Alright, I gotta lock in. This game should not be as close as it is, but it's close because I'm not even fully locked right now. Come on, Eric Snow. Be tough like I know you can be. I got you on the court for a reason, Dikembe. And it's to let the thing fly. And I'm not letting it fly with you, man. He just running around. Mikal Bridges got 11 on me. Oh my goodness. I was literally just up double digits. I promise you I was. I promise you I was just up double digits. I don't even know what happened. The next time I looked up at the scoreboard, it's finally a close game. I don't even know how it happened. You think I'm watching that for any longer? You're wrong. Running around. He just is running to the rim. Has he even shot a 3 yet? That's my question.
Let it snow, let it snow.
Come on, Eric Snow. Be tough for me then. It's fine, just be tough.
Let it snow, let it
crazy
snow,
in this
let
game.
it snow.
We're just crazy. That's a tough one. Tough one right there.
Let it
Come on,
snow,
stop playing with my man Eric Snow. He a certified bucket getter. Oh goodness, like, I guess. I'm getting hacked on the interior, man. I was about to dunk you. It's not what I'm gonna do. Eric Snow literally is getting buckets every single possession. Is Eric Snow really like that with this duo? Like, is he really like that? Is he a top player in the game? Oh my goodness, he went up. It's crazy.
Let it snow.
He literally is just saucing all over my opponent. Like, my opponent doesn't even have a chance, man. Just ran all the way around. He just ran all the way. Thank you. He shot a late. No way Dikembe getting horsed by Wang. The dude's name is Wang and you're getting horsed by him.
Let it snow.
That's a foul, Rev. That's literally a foul. Dikembe doesn't get me a stop. This is such a high scoring game. Eric Snow got 19 points and we're still in the position we're in somehow. I don't even know how that happens. I guess that if that doesn't go in, I quit. I literally quit if that don't go in. They're good. Thank you. Finally. Launch it. Please, Dikembe. Thank you. Eric Snow got 21 points in this quarter. Good D, man. Oh my gosh! My man, hey, I like this guy I'm playing. He got on the mic and he said, if you're up by more than 10 going into the fourth, I'll quit. I said, bro, you're good at the game. You ain't got to worry about it, man. Like, if I'm like up 20 going into the fourth, then he can quit. But he ain't got to worry about, you know, me. This guy tough at the game. He can stay in the game all he wants. I ain't even say once that he need to quit the game because he good at the game. So, I mean, Eric Snow, really. Is he top point guard in the game? Is Eric Snow top point guard in the game? Can y'all let me know? Please. A very early is crazy because he was tired. Board? Y'all are hooping. Oh no, that's a lurk right there. Board, please grab me up. I gotta get y'all out the game. Eric Snow's about to die out here. He got 24 of these things, though. Some of them are on Gary, too, which is crazy. If you're good at the game like this and, like, in the game, y'all ain't gotta worry about quitting. But if I get up, like, 20, then, you know what I'm saying? Then y'all can quit the game. Like, look at him. He making rotations and everything. If you're this tough, you ain't gotta worry about me. Uh-oh. He ain't jump. And I ain't green? Oh my goodness. Just stay down. Good. Just stay down. Stay composed. Y'all are good. Switch it if he uses it. Good. Switch back. Good. Straight to the rim. Get mashed. You running Dame, that's cool. That's cool, but expect if you run Dame for him to get mashed. Because I ain't play nice. He got hold badly. 2K ain't let him shoot the ball. I love it, though. Board. He got hold again. He's getting hold, and I'm loving it. Ah, that's me. That's me. I mistimed it. Y'all are good, though. When I was flooding him, that he tries hard. Like, he got some steals in that first quarter to keep it close, and ever since then. And I'm getting fools. Ever since then, I really haven't had an answer, though. And that's the thing. It's cool. It's a good read. Bailout sucks, but that's a good read. Like, this is what I'm telling y'all about him, man. Like, it doesn't look... Thank you. He got hold. He didn't really get hold. That was just a bad read. Still kind of got hold, though. That's what I'm talking about, man. I swear, oh my goodness gracious, dude. Like, what more do you want me to do? Please enlighten me. Look at Jaren's ability to defend on the perimeter, though. Name another big guy that's doing what Jaren's doing right now. That's 23. That's good D, man. This dude's sweating me so hard. He is sweating me so hard, dog. He's been in the lane for 95 seconds, and these refs want to swallow their whistle. It's sad to me. These refs want to just swallow their whistle all of a sudden. It's crazy. Thank you. Need it. Thank y'all, man. Y'all should be flooded, man. Y'all should be flooded. But y'all just want to, for some reason, every time he go on a run, y'all just... That's me. That's me. I just didn't want to give up a 3, really. Oh, my goodness. I don't know how you made that, Jaren, but I love it. Look it go, Jaren. You going up on him? Look it go, Jaren. I get him rebound chaser. He gonna be the best. This dude with Eddie Jones, man. This dude, he's resilient, man. He's not a guy I would like to play a lot. That's for sure. Come on. Thank you. Don't know why. I don't know why you're leaving Jaren, man. I don't know why. Wang, y'all want to hype up Wang. Let me hype up Jaren then. That's fine. Sometimes you just got to give up 2s. Right there's a situation I'll give up a 2. Oh, yeah, Jaren. Chill. Good D. Like, he just be pinching, man. I'm getting not even mad. That's not the right word. Frustrated is the right word. Frustrated is definitely the right word to say. That's how I'm feeling right now. It's just frustrating. This guy is not going away. Please, Jaren. That's mine. Thank you. He's just not going away, and I gotta make one little run. Eric Snow, you got 24 points. Can you make it like 40? Can you have a 40-point game? I feel like that's the only way I'm gonna even win. Is if Eric Snow just goes off. Like, it's Eric Snow or bust at this point. Dikembe, need it. Good shot. Come on. Good shot. I'll settle for a midi. That's fine, Dikembe. Come on. Need it. Come on. I need it. Come on. I shot a late. That is crazy. Y'all don't think I know my releases? This is crazy. Good. Just don't let him run for a 3. All I really care about right now. Good. The late with Dikembe is crazy. I be shooting lates on PlayStation, though, so I'm not even mad about it, but that's crazy. Come on, Eric. Come on, Eric. Come on, Eric. Uh-oh. I needed it badly. I'm not even begging for it, but I needed that badly. Oh my goodness. I could tell he's going to be resilient from that first quarter, man. When if things weren't going his way, I'm saying he wasn't rattled at all. Come here. About to just have to go up, man. And he got a strip. He just ran. All right, come on. Like, Eric Snow, it's now or never. Like, it really is. It's now or never for us. Foul? No. And the oh my goodness. Dots. Need one. I threw a steamer, man. Thank you. He be making that same rotation. Finally got one, man. I finally got one. I thought he was going to throw it. That's me. I just got a green. Like, That's not mine. Thank you. Look at the Kembe. That's your... I don't even know if they'll give you the rebound or like a steal for that. I don't know. But that's your first one of the game if that is a rebound. Thank you. He missed. Oh! Duh. I'm not locked in. And I get that part of it. But like... Should I have to lock in 24/7? We're there. Thank you. I had to get like 9 stops all on one possession. This is wild to me. Come on, just lock in, Ty. I had a sweaty game on my road to 250. Now I'm about to have a sweaty game on my no money spent. This is wild. Thank you. Look at Jaren. That's finally we got to stop. Finally, we got a complete stop. And my opponent is so chill. Like, after that, he said, good D. Like, I respect him, man. I respect my opponent. He tough at the game. Not pausing. He not doing anything crazy. Should have been a steal. I ain't gonna lie to you. Come here. I need to get Harden the ball. Come here. He knows it, too. He knows exactly who I'm trying to get the ball to. Harden gonna end the game right here. Harden gonna end the game. Finish him. Ah! Come on, Harden. I need it. Uh-oh. It's mine. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my goodness gracious. Y'all have one job. Like, y'all have one job. I'm literally playing 2-1, and y'all foul on a 3-point shot. That is crazy to me. He missed. That is crazy to me. Get James Harden to rock. He gonna foul? That's fine. He got auto fouls on. That's fine. That's fine. It's cool, because Harden not gonna miss. I just gotta get stops, though, man. Switch it. Good. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's Lurk Man Gary. That's not even me. Mark Nuzzo, man. He is sweat. An absolute sweat. So I'm just glad I got out of here with a win, man. One step closer to J Rich. And J Rich is going to help my account out. So I'll take the win and keep pushing. But shout out to my man, Mark. Oh, to be 2-0 on this account. Look, it might not seem like the biggest deal ever. But I'm trying to go undefeated on this account, undefeated on my road to 250. And I had 2 absolutely sweaty games today. Like the 2 most sweaty games you can even possibly imagine. But we got out of there with wins, and that is all that matters. But today is going to wrap it up for this episode of our No Money Spent Squad Series. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. MT is in a really good position. Let me know what changes you guys want to see coming to the squad. Eric Snow gets our MVP award of today. We might start giving those out on the No Money Spent Squad Series. Eric Snow gets it today, guys. Drop a like on the video. Subscribe if you are new. And as always, man, I love you guys. Have a blessed day.